Today I'm going to guide you through how to use a QR code to sign in to Outlook Mobile. This method is super convenient as it saves you from having to enter your details on the mobile app. First, open your computer and go to the Outlook site. As you can see, I actually have a QR login code already here when I sign in. But if you don't have this option, go to the top left of the screen and click on the Help menu. You should see several options. Click on Outlook Mobile. A pop-up will appear with a QR code. Now, on your mobile device, open the Outlook app. Click on Add Account and then select Sign in using a QR code. Your phone's camera will open up. You may need to give it permission if it's your first time doing this. Point your camera at the QR code on your computer screen and it will automatically scan it. Once scanned, the app will say loading. Enter the code displayed on your computer into your mobile app. After that, click Next on the mobile app. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions, which you can do by clicking Accept. Then click Continue to Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully signed in using the QR code.